Morning, guys. Grinding Gears TV. Little pit walk in action here. Shaping up to be a good show. Rain's letting up finally. We got our very own Grinding Gears TV demo team.
Thank you.
It's the man. Had some unfortunate. He had some unfortunate luck, but he had a car. How you feeling, Johnny?
At least it's wet.
What do you think?
That's the only saving grace. And I got a multicolored car. So.
Go up and talk to our other driver. A little unfortunate luck for John. A little unfortunate luck. He had some motor troubles, but he had another car that was ready to go. So here we are with Dalton Hooper in the X3. What are you feeling, Dalton?
Pretty good.
What do you think's going to happen today?
You're gonna wreck some stuff.
Do you go full send like normal or what?
I'm gonna actually try to derby the right way, but if I get bored, I'll just send it.
All right. What kind of car you got?
It's a Franken Malibu. It's a Malibu, and the butt front suspension's basically a mix of a Cobalt, Cutlass, and Sunfire.
How'd you come up with all that?
Google. A lot of Google searching, a lot of looking at measurements.
Any good words for the day for anybody that wants to come watch maybe?
Bring a poncho, bring extra money for popcorn from the Boy Scouts.
All right. Thanks. Good luck tonight, buddy.
Thank you. Sounds better. Yeah, it's
These are the two-man compact teams. I think there's like 12, 13 teams running tonight. Should be a good show. You're not going to want to miss it. We will be live on Derby Nation. So, showtime's at 5. Don't miss it. Also, other thing they're doing this year, they call it the Battle of Businesses. Just a bunch of local businesses that wanted to get their names out there. They're allowed to compete. I think they could bring up to 2 cars. Just MWFA style cars, but it's pretty cool just to represent their business. Jesus. Pretty cool paint job. We'll take a quick walk around them. That's cool. Sorry about that. That's probably one of the coolest paint jobs I've seen in a while. A lot of people use stickers. I personally, I've always enjoyed good paint jobs. Even when I ran, I like to see good paint. So, we also have a $5,000 to win minivan class too tonight. So, it's gonna be a good show. Don't quote me on that, but at the last I heard or knew that it was like $5,000 to win. Oh, well, thanks for joining me. Yeah. Oh, there's the compact trucks, which are just in MWFA. I don't think we have a truck class tonight.